We are looking at gold. It's already reached this zone and it's going down, okay? And I had this zone set out and it's already hit that zone. So I think the next downside, which is come from this order block, it's going to get past this zone, and I'm expecting take profit to get to at least here. Okay, so where market is pretty much, this is what I was looking at, but of course, as usual, I started filming late. Where is it? Yeah, basically, this is what I'm looking at to happen on gold right now. And it's already hit here, so we just can expect further downside after. This was meant to be the zone, to be fair. Here and here, this was meant to be the entry zone for more sales, because obviously you can see the channel it broke out of. And yes, I actually did have this sell. I missed the initial sell because I was hoping the market would come in with testing the neckline of the engulfing, but we didn't get the neckline tests. As soon as we had the bearish engulfing with this candle, the next candle barely retested to the neckline and gave us downside right to this consolidated zone. So okay, I was like, okay, cool, market has broken a channel. Now it's probably gonna go up to retest. Okay, and then the retest ended up being the neckline of the engulfing that I was initially waiting for. Okay, so but the good thing about this is, even though I didn't catch the initial sell, I caught the reversal for for retracement. Sorry, so we had obviously this bullish engulfing and the market stopped here. Okay, so market didn't go far before it came to test the neckline of this engulfing, and then it went up. And I actually collected this here because obviously I felt like market is already broken out, so who knows if it's coming to test here before going back down. So I played it safe and I got out. Let me delete this one. Played it safe, and this was the play that I took, which was neckline of the engulfing to this zone. So a very short one really, and of course market went a bit further to test the neckline of the initial bearish engulfing, and now has come down again and went past here to now test here. Gave bullish engulfing, went to test here. Okay, great. This was the second trade I took for this channel as well. So while I'm watching what market is doing, I'm trading like in between, because we had the support, we had the bullish engulfing, we had a perfect retest of the engulfing. I took it to here, actually not here, I took it to here. Again, I played safe. And then I wanted to see what market would do, because I was not expecting market to find some reversal around this, all this mess here, which it did. And now I'm expecting it to, after messing with this zone, to continue the downside, and this is the next zone I'm expecting. I mean, normally I probably should highlight this zone, I guess, but I feel like this zone makes more sense because the wicks come down to this block, which is like here, but this is potentially a zone to watch out for as well. So yep, I will be back when this has given further moves. Okay, let me just highlight that this was the sell zone for further sells. Yep, and that's what I am looking at right now. I will be right back, guys. Okay, my alert just went off because market basically spiked down here just now, and we have hit the next support again, this support, and I'm hoping we get to the next support after this. Okay, I didn't get in on the sales because as much as I recognize this candle and as much as I expected market to do something here, I have the candlestick that I prefer to see to getting on trades, okay? So I've already taken 2 scalps today, which was the buy from here that I took here. And then the buy from here, which as soon as it got here, I put it on break even because I wasn't sure whether it was going to reverse and continue downwards or go further up to the next zone, if you can see there, which is right here. So with me putting it at break even, can you see market just about missed it and then came up here and I collected here, and then I wanted to see what market would do here and it reversed here. However, you know me, I like to get in at engulfings. I like these candlesticks, I recognize them. However, they are not my ideal candlesticks. Like, I don't mean engulfing, I mean before the green candle that engulfed the red candle by itself, I recognize that's a potential reversal candle, or maybe some people call it indecision in market, which is not definite, or a reversal. Could be markets just taking a rest and might continue onwards on this trajectory downwards, you know. So I don't like to get in there. Same as this candle, I recognize it and the fact that it obviously appeared at a good zone, but again, it's not my type of candle to get in on. So if the candle is not right on any time frames, because like I said, this is not the only time frame I watch, you know. If you watch my other videos, you will see that I tend to watch market on like 3 minutes and 5 minutes on different platforms and terminals and stuff. So that's how I get to see things how I want them. I didn't get my bearish engulfing, unfortunately, so I took a miss for this one. If I actually had gotten out here, guess what, guys? I wouldn't be waiting for this take profit. You know me, I'm a conservative. And I don't mean in politics, by the way. I mean conservative in my take profit zones. So if I had gotten in here, if it formed a bearish engulfing or some sort, I would have gotten in and then I would have exited here, and then we would just watch from the sidelines to see what happens here. But it is what it is. It didn't give me my preferred entry formation for that zone, so it is what it is. But I will be right back to see how this market develops, this sell market, which you can see has 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch on a breakout, big ass retest, and then now it's just giving on those sells properly. So next zone will be here. Hopefully we'll see that happen, and yeah. Okay, in about 6 to 7 minutes, let's say 6 minutes, we're about to have news, USD news. I wonder if that would reverse market or market will continue. So we are close to the zone, guys. We are getting there. Although I missed this new downside leg, it would have been good if I got in here, but if I got in, I would have been out already, guys. This next zone is just observation purposes, or yeah, either I would have been out or definitely have collected partials, but most likely I would have been out because of the fact that I've banked on this side and then I banked on this side. So I would have kept this conservative because there would be no need for me to. So we have made it, guys. News is happening in 5 minutes, and that has nothing to do with me because I already collected everything I need from the market. What I assumed would play out has already played out. So thank you very much. Gold. Okay, and well, I guess we'll see what happens. I think I saw it said CPI news or something for USD. I feel like when I catch the best trades, the market doesn't try to trick me out. It's usually before London session and during London session. And in New York session, I can catch moves as well, but sometimes because there's more volatility during that period, I feel sometimes there's a lot of too much spike business happening. So I've come to realize that my best trades and the best way in my analysis where, you know, market won't mess with my take profit is usually like during New York or before New York. Anyway, guys, the trade is complete. Yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we're going to get news soon, and that news could potentially lead to a reversal in market. Actually, I might add that to the end just to see how that plays out, but if market is doing what I think it may do, then we may get this. We could potentially get a movement. If because it's CPI as well, if it's one of those crazy spikes, right? Yeah, this could happen, guys. This could happen. The market could go back to here. But again, that's all speculation. This trade has nothing to do with me. I'm not even getting in on it. Imagine, because market has just hit the zone I thought it would hit, and it's close to news time in 3 minutes or so. Potential upside. So I'll watch how this plays out. We didn't get like obviously the full channel give for the sales, because the full channel give essentially I believe would be here, or I guess they could actually afford to draw another trend line if I think about it. So the sales may not even be complete, guys. The sales may not be complete. So if I had to guess, obviously market has hit here, so what market could do is go back up here, right? And the fact that we have more sales to go, you go back up here and then come back down, and it could essentially get to here. But this is all speculation, so this could happen, and then after that, then we could get this after. But I don't know. It's just for the fact that market hasn't completed the move. So buy, and then the sales from before it's already there, so you might get whoosh, and then whoosh. Guys, look at it. Look at this. Do you see that? That new zone I highlighted, market is on some little crazy spike. You see what I mean? Where I cannot trust this market. It's insane. But just take a look at this. Like literally, I was just like, this could hit here, this could hit here, and you just never know how it's gonna play out. But it was just like I could see potential both sides, like the potential for this side and then the potential for that side. Okay, so let me see what happened here, guys. It's likely, right, that this happened. We got a bullish engulfing on the previous candle close, so which meant this bullish engulfing. If you're watching a candle close, yeah, literally 10 seconds before it closed, you would know that this was about to close in bullish engulfing, which means we're going to get to the upside. It got to this top zone, okay? And then boom, now it's continued to the downside to get to the next zone that I highlighted. So guys, this is interesting, okay? I see this. I'm able to see what's about to happen to market quite often. I don't like getting in when it's too much volatility. But I see it. I was like, okay, this might be replayed. This zone might be replayed. And then there's this zone to be played as well. So I wasn't ready for it. So like I said, my preference in trading, New York, is not it. But I do trade it sometimes. But this was CPI, so I expected some like key moves to happen. You can see the sell move. Let me just delete this little sell I took before yesterday. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I just wanted to show you how interesting market could be. This end part was like not really important to my trade call, but I just wanted to show you something that was really interesting that was gonna happen. So this is how some people are wondering, what the hell, which direction market is going? Is it going up? Is it going down? And it's like, well, there's a way to tell these things. You have to look at the channel to see if it's actually giving the full move for the channel first of all, and also see, because it's CPI news, and we know during CPIs there can be wild moves, upside, downside, whatever, both directions gave. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will bring you more trading content to show you how I take my trades. Bye. Wow, looks like market made it to the next zone. I didn't actually expect this zone, even though I had it highlighted. I was only expecting it to give the full channel because it's a bigger channel. It's not one of those tight consolidation channels. When it's a tight channel, I know it's usually definitely going to give more. But if it's like a bigger channel, I don't expect it to give more. But I do know that it sometimes gives more. but this is pretty impressive. Okay. I guess I missed a lot of moves here then, huh? Greed is what can lose you money in your account, okay? So I'm happy with what I've made today from my 2 trades, and that has done me perfectly well. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can get notified when I bring out new content.